Howdy guys, Jimmy Song here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the coming crypto company Culling. I like the alliteration a little bit. Anyway, there's a lot of different Bitcoin companies around, and I count a lot of these ICOs as companies as well. You have exchanges, you have merchant processors, you have conferences, you have mining companies, you have consulting companies. You have a lot of different companies around the cryptocurrency space. And one of the things that bear markets do is it puts a lot of those companies under pressure. In a bull market, almost anyone can make money, right? Because there's such a short supply of these services that almost any of them can get work. What happens in a bear market, though, is that a lot of them get called. Only the really strong and good companies survive, and that's what I'm expecting to happen. A lot of these companies have been sort of surviving, well, not surviving, but like thriving on a lot of stuff that wasn't sustainable. And once those things go away, well, how are you going to be? A lot of these ICOs, for example, have been like spending money like drunken sailors on conferences and things like that. How are they going to survive? Well, short answer is they're not. A lot of them will just go away, right? This happened in the last bear market. There were a lot of mining companies out there because a lot of people saw that they could make some money doing that. Except the bear market made the economics very, very tough. And from that era, I think Bitmain and Bitfury were the only two companies that really made it out of there. As a result, during the boom times, they made a crap ton of money because they were able to survive through that. In the same way, I expect a lot of these crypto companies to have to cull down to their essence. A lot of them have overexpanded, I think. There's been a lot of malinvestment, particularly in coins that nobody really wants anymore, in like ICO platforms that nobody's really interested in. Who's doing an ICO right now, right? But how many platforms are there to do an ICO? That's going to cause a lot of these people to lose a lot of money. Basically go away. And that's a very good thing. You want the strong companies to survive, the people that know what they're doing to survive. And it's no secret, I think, that the thing that will survive the most is Bitcoin. Sorry about that, guys. And Bitcoin, a lot of the Bitcoin companies are expanding because they put their put the eggs in the right basket, right? Like not into a lot of this stuff that a lot of us have been warning you was not worth anything. They had business models that weren't sustainable. A lot of these token models, for example, assume that price will increase indefinitely. That never happens in the real world. So we have situations like that now, and a lot of these will get called. And they'll go away, and that's a very good thing, and that's something to look forward to. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Let me know why I'm wrong if you disagree, and if you have any other things that you want me to cover in these videos, let me know as well over Twitter or YouTube. Thanks for watching. This song is done.